Rental LED displays are an essential part of large-scale concerts, corporate events, and public events. However, frequent disassembly, handling, resulting in a wide range of display bumps, damage, dropping lamp, dead lights, high maintenance costs not only affect the viewing experience of the audience, it also lengthens the return on investment cycle for lessors. To solve this series of industry pain points, Absen launches a new generation of rental LED technology, Absen. Compared to traditional SM, LED thrust increased by more than 4 times, maximum thrust over 13 kilograms, in a variety of high-intensity friction, high-altitude fall, impact, stampede tests. The lamp board using the new generation of rental display technology, anti-pressure ability performance is very excellent. At present, Absen new generation of rental LED technology is applied to NT 2.6 V2, NT 1.9 V2, and other products, with the support of new materials, new protective structures, and new LED technology. Not only is the panel weight reduced by 24% and the installation speed increased by 20%, the investment return period is reduced by 19%. In terms of display, NT V2 series features cinema-level display performance, 7680 Hz refresh rate, 15-bit grayscale, 94 DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. It is the ideal choice for you to have rental LED products. Absen NT V2 series. Boost your ROI faster.